Okay, this is Niko. Of course, he's been adopted. Getting a little opportunity for the family to see him. Niko. Hey, Niko. Hey, hi. Niko's feisty. He's a feisty one. Look at him. Look at him. Niko. Come here. Let the family see your face and your chest. Right here. Niko. Come here. Niko. That's a good boy. There you go. That's what I wanted. That way they could see your chest. Huh. Yes, I know. I know. Hey, Niko. Up here. Look up here. Can you see me up here? Ooh. Yeah, it's my hand. Ooh, he's barking at my hand. Look at him. Mr. Personality. Here's Rhianna. Rhianna. She's been adopted. Rhianna. Come here. Hey, Rhianna. Over here. There you go. Hey, Rhianna. Hey, how are you? Huh? How you doing? Yes, I know you want to come out and play. I know you do. I know. Want your family to get a look at you. Look at her go. Look at her go. Look at the tail. Look at her tail. Swish, swish, swish. Back and forth. Back and forth. Huh.